something to discuss. Close your leg for a bit, baby, let's open up. Let's finish what we started. Come closer, let me hold you now. One night, man, I only sees the rain.